Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I will be going over two tools that will allow you to test your keys in your BMW on a test platform, as well as make a test bench. So right here, I have one for FEM/BDC. So any of your 3 Series, 4 Series, any of your X cars, any cars that have a BDC or FEM module. We also have a tester for CAS4, and this will allow you to test your CAS module keys. So basically, I'm just going to open them up, show you guys what they do, and we're going to test them out with my CAS module as well as the BDC module. So here are the components, super simple, and then we have our CAS module right here that we are going to test it with, and we're going to test it out with my key to see if my key is paired to this CAS module. All right, so the tool is all connected. We have my CAS4 module here. Well, it's actually not my CAS4 module, but it is another CAS4 module with the keys information on it. We have 2 wires going to, and this is really the little ignition switch that we can place the key in and test if it works, as well as, I don't know if you can see, just the edge of an OBD port right here. So we gave it 12 volts of power with an OBD port, and the OBD port's nice too if you want to do some programming to the CAS module to make keys or anything like that. You can do some more additional stuff. So it's really kind of like a bench setup for your CAS module, which is super cool. So right now, if we press start, the key was close enough to it to do it, but if we just press start right now, nothing happens. Light comes on, but it doesn't stay on, obviously, because it's missing the key. However, if I take my key right here, place it in, recognizes it, and it says, hey, this key belongs to this CAS module, and we can start the car. So it's a really nice way of testing if your CAS module and key are paired up with each other. Obviously, there's many other different ways that you can do it, but it's a nice little test bench, a physical test bench to have to see what's working, what's not. And like I said, it also has a OBD port on it, which is super nice, so you can plug in any tools to make keys. And yeah, so now we can shut it off. As you can see, nothing, because the key's not there. Put the key in, and we have ignition. Awesome. So let's check out the other module now. I'll have both these modules linked down below if you would like to be able to test keys or make a test bench setup for your car, because the other one, the BDC/FEM, literally allows for a full test setup since it's the BDC module, and you can add a cluster and a bunch of other stuff. So I'll show you guys that now. But let's shut this off. All right, so taking a look at the FEM/BDC, we obviously have the same OBD port. We also have power. We have the same button to turn it on and off. This one has to connect to the FEM module, as well as this one. And then this is a 12 volt power, I believe, or it's a ground. I forget which one it is, but it is 12 volts. It needs to go to the FEM module. And then this goes right to a cluster if you'd like to add a cluster on this kit and literally make a full mini bench setup. So let's plug in this FEM module and test it out with the key. All right, so we're all hooked up. This one obviously has a little bit more going on. We have 2 connectors right here, then we have the other connector here, and then this one, like I said, not needed for this application because we don't have a cluster, but we have a red light on right now that it says for IMMO, just knowing that's detecting, and then we press the button, nothing, but you hear the FEM module make a little noise, and then if we place in the key, hopefully this is the right key, and there we go, it clicks, you hear a relay click, and now you know that it's on. Same thing, we can shut it off, and it's off. Take the key out, you move the key away, nothing. So yeah, that's super cool that we're able to have these amazing test benches at a relatively low cost. Like, I know you used to have to make a bunch of test benches for the E46. I know I've made one. It's really nice that these companies are coming out with test benches on the market that you can just buy and start testing modules at your own house, update them, play around with them. And it really allows for security at the end of the day with your own car, knowing that you can just play with something on a bench setup, not damage your car, and yeah, learn new things. So I really like having bench setups, and that's why I really wanted to make this video, just to show you guys how much bench setup technology has come and how easily and readily available they are. So yeah, I'll have this exact bench setup linked down below from this company. Like I said, here is the company. I'll have it linked down below where you can purchase both bench setups for the CAS and FEM. They make them for CAS 3. There's all different bench setups that you can buy nowadays. So I'll have these all linked down below. Let's kill this real quick. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about what we did here today, the products that I'm using, anything like that, drop in the comments down below. I'll be sure to help you out. Don't forget to check out my Amazon ECS affiliate link if you're looking for anything BMW related. That is all I have for this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.